Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, so there's a few reasons why you might want to perform a reset. Maybe you're selling the smartwatch on to somebody else. So it's highly recommended that you do wipe it before you actually sell it, or maybe you're giving it away. Also, you might be facing problems with the watch itself. Sometimes performing a factory reset will fix your problem. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to perform the factory reset. So it's real simple to do. All you have to do is press this button here and go into the settings. And you're just going to scroll down to where it says General. Okay, so here it is, General. Select it. And then scroll down to where it says Reset. And then it will now say Reset Watch. Your watch will be reset and all personal information will be erased. Okay, so I highly recommend backing up any data that you find important on the smartwatch before you actually go ahead with doing the reset. Okay, so if you're sure that you actually want to go ahead with this, just go ahead and select the little tick here. Okay, so now the watch has been reset. So it's just setting up again. So from here you can power off the device and just put it back in its box and then sell it on to whoever you're selling it on to, or give it away to whoever you're giving it away to. If you're choosing to keep the device, then you just go back through the whole initial setup again. But yeah, this was just my video showing you how to perform a factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching. As you can see there, it's saying let's go. Let's just turn down the brightness here. So it's ready to set up again. That's if you're keeping it. But like I said, if you're selling it on, you can just power it off and put it back in its box. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. See you in the next video. Doses.